Everybody, welcome back to TMD Toy Review. Today we're going to show and talk about. Hi everybody, welcome back to TMD Toy Review, and today we have some Hot Wheels. Yeah, they're Captain America Hot Wheels. The first one is the Winter Soldier's car. Yeah, the Riveted it's called. See it? See the back? This car is really cool. Let's take it out of the box. Let's take it out of the packaging. Here it is. It has gold rims. The wheels move. This is a Captain America Winter Soldier's car from the Captain America series on Hot Wheels. So this is the Winter Soldier's car. The wheels move. Yep, it's gold. The rims are gold. There's a star on it, and his name is on it, Winter Soldier. Yes. See that? That's the front of it. That's the top of it. That's the other side. And that's the back. Yes. This car is really cool. It has Marvel written on the tail. It also has one of these on it. One of these back flips on it. It's really cool looking. Wow. Let's sit that one there. And let's open the next one. This is Captain America's car. This is one of his cars. See that car? It has Captain America written on it. Let's open it. Wow. Look at that. The rims are white on this one. It has Captain America big written on the side door. Wow. It's really cool looking. Yep. And this is a 70 Ford Mustang. This is a 70 Ford Mustang. This particular Captain America car. See the top of it? It has an A on it for America. This is the other side. This is the back. Ford Mustang. Wow. It's really cool. And the wheels move on this car as well. Yep. This is another Captain America car. It has Bucky on the side. It's Captain America and Bucky. And Bucky is another name for the Winter Soldier. Okay, so let's sit this car down. This is Captain America's car. We're going to sit this one down next to the Winter Soldier car. And now we're going to open this one. And this is a Spec-Die car. Let's see. Let's open it. There it is. It has a picture of Bucky on the side of it. And it says Bucky. And the wheels move on this car too. The rims are red though. The rims are red. Wow. And the top is out. There's no top on the top of it. Here's the other side. Here's the back. And here's the front. Again, there's the top. Okay, there you go. We'll sit that next to those. This is the last one. This is the Quambi. This is a type of truck, some type of pickup truck. And this is the bad guy's vehicle. This is the Red Skull vehicle. His vehicle. He's bad. Okay, let's open it. Wow, look at that. Wow, the Red Skull's vehicle is cool. The wheels move, the rims are green. Green and black. See that? Green and black rims. It says Red Skull on the side, and it has his picture. A picture of the Red Skull's face right there. This is the front of the car. It's got green window shields. It's green and red. Wow. This is the other side. This is the top. And you can see the back has green accents. Right there. See the back? And that's the side. Again. And the front. Okay. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. It goes. They ride. Let's see. They all roll. Okay. These are all 4 of the cars from the Captain America Hot Wheels series. Collect them all. And I got these from Walmart. And you can get them from Walmart too. I think, which one is my favorite? I think the Red Skull's vehicle is my favorite. I like the green and the red. It's really cool. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments below which one is your favorite. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.